In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT lagging after long conversation. 2026 full guide. If ChatGPT starts dragging its feet after a long chat, the most common culprit is an overstuffed personalization memory, followed closely by cluttered browser data or strained system resources. Let's clean things up so responses feel crisp again. First, fix the out of space for saved memories error. ChatGPT's personalization memory uses a limited number of slots, and upgrading your plan won't expand those slots. You have to manage them. Open the profile menu in the bottom left, choose Settings, and head to the Personalization tab. Click Manage next to the memory configuration. You'll see your saved entries. Delete outdated, repetitive, or irrelevant items using the trash can or the three-dot menu to immediately free slots. If you want a true clean slate, use Delete All to wipe the personalization cache. Just know this removes all saved context, so only do it if you're comfortable rebuilding from scratch. Now for an advanced workaround that reclaims a lot of space, the master memory consolidation trick. Because the limit is about the number of entries, not the size of one entry, you can compress many facts into a single structured profile. In a chat, ask, provide a complete detailed report of every memory you have saved about me. Copy that output, go back to Settings, open Personalization, click Manage, and hit Delete All. Then start a new chat and say, consolidate these facts into a single, highly structured master profile document with zero fluff, then commit this entire consolidated text to your memory. Paste the list you copied. This keeps essentials in one slot and reduces fragmentation. Avoid including sensitive personal details. Keep it to preferences and workflows. If the interface still lags during live streaming, clear targeted on-device site data. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, then delete browsing data. Set the time range to all time and clear cookies and cached files. Note this may sign you out of sites. To avoid that, click the lock icon in the ChatGPT address bar, open cookies and site data, and delete data specifically for OpenAI.com and ChatGPT.com. Next, audit your tabs. Close idle, heavy pages to free RAM for rendering ChatGPT smoothly. If the browser keeps freezing, switch to the native desktop app from ChatGPT.com, download for hardware-optimized performance. Finally, check status OpenAI.com. If there's elevated latency or gateway issues, the slowdown isn't on your side. If everything is green, the problem is local to your browser or network. Keep your